Yeah. Yeah. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's the toy randa. We at a Target. Come on, put your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. Cause it's almost a new fucking year. Up in here. It's the toy rant. Yeah, we on another award-winning hunt, y'all. We at a Target. We gonna go to a Walmart, and then we go to another Target. What we looking for? Yo, we looking for Transformers Age of the Primes Brawl, Blast Off. We looking for Short Shot, but they released early, and I know I'm late. Gotta stop this shit. But if you haven't heard, yeah, Playmates has lost the master license for Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. What does that mean to us as collectors? Namely me. It means nothing. Bullshit. NECA has fallen the fuck off. Hasbro prices for Marvel Legends have shot up, and they are just killing us with these fucking prices because tariffs are kicking their ass. So the small guy underneath the ground, the lowest low of the pole, gets his ass reamed out, takes his fucking toy collecting fucking spine and gets ripped out of his fucking body and shoved up his ass just for doing what he loves, and that's collecting toys. Now it's a business. Now it's a conspiracy. Now it has become top of the food chain bullshit capitalism in this fucking very country that we so love. It is bullshit, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're under the age of 16, you should be watching this video because this is for adult collectors only. And with that said, let us go on a toy hunt because it's time. It's almost New Year's. We're on a cusp of 2026. So, with that being said, and I hate people, namely motherfucking YouTubers, you know who you are, running their fucking mouth instead of doing what they should do. Instead of turning this to a personal, oh, I'm having a nervous breakdown, I was depressed. Go out and do some toy hunting, bitch. How about that? All right, gang. Lately, Target has been falling off and Walmart has been hitting us with all new, brand new Marvel Legends. We're looking for Cardiac. We're looking for the Owl. So let's go in here and see what Target has to offer. Damn. Let's go to the collector spot first, but see, I'm not feeling Stranger Things. Like I said, oh, we got Pee Wee Herman. Okay, we got the real thing though. Oh, they got a Shredder. Yeah, NECA has fell off. Instead of making Norman Bates the Fly and brand new horror movies figures that hasn't been made, they keep on with the same shit. We are looking for that Predator Samurai. Oh, all right. Planet of the Apes. I wish they would have continued. That's one thing. NECA, why couldn't you continue Advanced Dungeons and Dragons? I like that grim. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. You know, they should have never stopped with Dungeons and Dragons. They should have never stopped with with what's that? Oh my God. Defenders of the Earth. Come on, could have made way more. It's an episode of the Defenders of the Earth. It's called the Mind Warriors. Those were some dope ass villains. Y'all know I love villains. Check it out. On YouTube. Defenders of the Earth, Mind Warriors. Bam. We have a normal Batman the Animated Series. We have Killer Croc. We have Last Ronin. What is this? Raphael and other stuff here. Dracula, Frankenstein, Bride of Frankenstein, Dracula, Halloween. Why the fuck is making this stupid ass noise? Oh, this shit. Yeah. Stupid motherfucker. Making farting noise. I can do that myself. Yourself. Bam. A guy and the son was coming in the damn aisle. I was like, get the fuck out of. I like to be the only one in the aisles. Oh, we have a whole bunch of thrust. Everybody named Mama finding new stuff. No new Transformers, a whole bunch of thrust. KSU that nobody wants. I got thrust already. Anyway. Oh, already got this from Ross or 12 something. That's one thing I hate is rude ass fucking people. Rude. Anyway, we've got, let me see. Scorpion, we already got that already. They need to lower the price on that. We got cops, police, G.I. Joe, still looking for mainframe. We've got Power, Rangers toys. Rude ass fucking people. Put my fist in your throat, then you shut up. This on sale. And bam, no wrestlers, baby. Look at that, empty. The emptiness is real. All right, here, Star Wars. We only have 2 of these. This Target is lacking. Oh, we got a Storm. Leo meets Godzilla. Ghidra, Rodan. They need to make a Rodan from Destroy All Monsters figures. S&H Monster Arts. Oh, we got this. Jurassic Park. Ay, ay, ay. All right, let's head to a Walmart. Yeah, they ain't got nothing in this aisle. Nothing. They got a Sandman. I see a Sandman. We already got that. Need to Mr. Miracle now. All right, gang. They ain't got nothing here. You know what I was looking for. Of course they're going to have these expensive ass shit. Twin meal. What's the other one? Whole bunch of twin meals. Nothing else. Yes. Oh, there we go. Damn. Okay. Fuck you then. Yeah, so that Target sucks. I hate this particular Target. Anyway, I hate rude ass people. Let's just make a quick deal, cause I'm not down with talking and bullshit and talking about personal shit. This is a toy channel. Keep it as such. We don't give a fuck if you're depressed. That's for a psychiatrist to figure out. We're not here to talk about personal shit, unless it's toy related. It's a toy channel. But you can do whatever you want. It's your toy channel. It's whatever you want to talk about. But we're here for toys. So shut the fuck up. Anyway, I hate rude ass fucking people. I'm trying to record and this stupid bitch in the next aisle, bro, I'll punch you in your fucking face. Don't disturb me when I'm fucking recording, trying to make this content for my people in the toy universe. The toy rant away. Don't do that. Cause then you want to bring the cops and charge assault. Oh, this crazy fucking nigger. He just outright and punches in our faces. Yeah, because you are getting in the way. You're making fucking noise. Go brush your teeth. You probably ain't brush your fucking teeth. Wash your throat. How about that, bitch? You probably got sludge from sucking so much cock. But I digress. If you missed out on our previous video, we were talking about a low-down piece of shit. What I'm talking about Kent Pool Live, that pedophiling, motherfucking, sexual exploitation of a minor ass scumbag. So, you know, just check out the video. And personally, I think I'm not getting enough views for my channels. So I'm thinking about just shutting shit down, because I'm not getting the views. It's like y'all giving the views to these other motherfuckers that don't deserve it. Don't deserve it at all. Come on, people. It's free. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't have me shut down this channel like Dave Chappelle was Diddy and had to shut down the studio on the Dave Chappelle show. Don't let it happen. Please support the channel. It's free. You don't have to do anything but subscribe and share. Okay? These 43 views, these 53 views, these 83 views in 2 and 3 months or 2 and 3 weeks are not. Come on. I know you can do it. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's make this channel better. All right? I'm going to get a new phone in the new year, and we're just going to get better, because there's some shit I got to do to improve also, not just you. But I still have respect for the viewers. So with that being said, let's go to a Target. Let's go to a Walmart and continue this hunt. Badam. Here we are at Wally World. Let's see. It's real windy out here, cold. It's the pre-New Year's toy hunt. Hope you had a nice Christmas. Now's the New Year. So let's end off the old year, with a pre-New Year toy hunt. We went to Target, now Wally World. Let's go. All right, gang. Oh, we got, from the Avengers, we got Quicksilver. I don't like that paint scheme. Not like green. Oh, we got Cyborg, Spider-Man. Oh, reissue, 40 years, Transformers. We've got, God, this is way overpriced. That's bullshit. We got Star Wars Black Series. We got Heavy Duty. We've got Falcon and Quarrel, Night Force, Desert Scorpion, Skeletor, Vintage Collection, whole bunch of fakers. We got Terror Claws. What the hell is this? Ninja Zombie. We got Revenge of the Sith, Kit Fisto, and Aaliyah. We've got some Skelra. I never liked this that scheme. All right, well, let's see what else they got. Right here on Rant TV. Bam. Yeah. No cardiac here, no owl. Okay. Just a whole bunch of Cyborg Spider-Man. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. I'm waiting till I get paid. Then this would be a pickup. From Daredevil Born Again, we got Punisher. We got that corny-ass Spider-Man Hellfire Gala. Well, we got a whole bunch of Emperor Stone Troopers. That's 4 of those. Black Series. We've got Jedi. We've got Night Sister. It's a nice figure. Got Punisher. Okay. Whole bunch of these droids. And then Star Wars. All right. Uh-oh. We got a Magic Gathering. Spider-Man beat up. But where's the other ones? I'm not getting in there because they're just too expensive. Oh, we got Star Wars. What's that? Micro Galaxy. Lights and Sounds. Let's see what this is. I'm gonna do this for the. Oh yeah. Do this for y'all. Okay. We got the Ghost. Okay. All right. Why don't I just put these on clearance for God's sakes? Jesus. Oh man, I can't. I love this, but the price is just. Hasbro, you're killing me. Bam. All right. Oh, we got Hariobot. We got all them Runamucks. I haven't seen Optimus Prime. I haven't seen. We might just have to order Brawl because I don't got time for this. Look at all these dead characters. Flatline. All these Optimus Primes. Venom. They're supposed to be coming out with Outback. Swerve. Look at that up there. Snake Eyes with the polar bear. Oh my God. Really overpriced. Oh, we've got the King of the Mountain, the Chosen One, AEW, Living Legend. We've got Jeff Jarrett. I do want to get this figure, but I'm waiting for my paycheck to come in. All right, another heavy duty. Other stuff here we don't give a shit about. No owl, no cardiac, nothing. All right, let's see what else we can find right here on Rant TV. Bam! Ooh, Birdman. It had a whole bunch of G.I. Joe classified Ghost Viper. It had like 6 of them. And all them fucking bastards took them. Oh, we got a Were Dragon. Is there a Rue? Nope. Axel. Werewolf. No Rue. But we got a Were Dragon. Come on, Jada. Take over. Make this bigger. Come on. Y'all can do it. Come on. Come on, Jada. Get the license. Bam. Oh, we got Thundercats meets He-Man, Chitara. We've got from the Master of He-Man and Master of the Universe cartoon 2000. We've got Triclops. And on the back, Stratos. I'm not feeling this. I don't like this line at all. Whack. Oh, we got Hot Wheels. For all you Hot Wheel maniacs. Oh. Diecast time. See? I told you. Trying to make this show special. Oh, wow. New for 2000. Okay. That's old. We're on it's about to be 2026, bitch. All right, gang. Wow, look at this. Okay. Hot Wheels leading the way, Batman. That's tight. So, all right. It's Walmart. Oh, yeah. Stay to the end of the video. I have a surprise for y'all. It's in the trunk. It's in the trunk. We got we got monster trucks, Hot Wheels, leading the way. We got bouncing base for your face up in here, up in there. Hot Wheels leading the way. Oh, this is tight right here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's tight. All right. All right, let's go to a Target, see if we can find some new Marvel Legends. Looking for that cardiac. Right here on Rant TV. Bam. Now, you know I hate this, but they got toys behind the glass because they're afraid somebody gonna steal their precious $1,000 worth toys. But we got a Black Flash. Got Cygor, we got Dark Archer, Dark Star. Sorry for that. We got the Shredder, Worms of Madness. We got from the animated Batman Adventures. We've got the Creeper. We've got we waiting for some new Gundams. So all right, gang. So I just didn't want to leave without showing you the NECA section, but they don't got jack. So all right, let's go to another Target and see if we can find our cardiac. Hey, it's all part of the hunt. All right, bam, let's go. Target time. Bam. They were playing Tom Petty. You got lucky. Good toys is hard to find. Hopefully we'll get lucky. Hopefully we'll get lucky, babe, and find some toys. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Maybe we'll find some toys. Wait till the end of the video. I got a surprise. Ay, ay, ay. Back and forth, back and forth. You're looking for deals so you can save some fucking cash. But I digress. We're going to go to a Target and make this year-end toy hunt special. Okay? So let's get to it. Let's go. See you at Target number 2. Bam! Here we are. Target. I told y'all. God, it's cold out here. Not as cold. I mean, I'm sorry, but I said it before. I'll say it again. Target and Walmart down south, Illinois, even Tennessee is better than us. But let's see if we can prove them wrong. Bam. Yeah, I'll tell you, for Christmas, Lord, LA night my ass. All the wrestlers, only 3. They eat it up. Christmas time. Oh, they got a ring. Try me, Money in the Bank. Oh, we got Star Wars, Micro Galaxy Squadron, AT at Walker, and this is. I remember when this was hard to find. Darth Vader. All right, we'll have nothing else. Okay, all right. That's nice. We have Anakin Skywalker Evolution set, and we have that. And we have I am your toy renter. No! Bam! What in the hell? It's the ultimate warrior. Dum 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 dum. Oh, is this new? Builder Corey Graves. It must be. Who's else in the line? Okay, all right. Wow. Nice body, but I'm not feeling it. I'll leave this one for another. Damn, he's always here. I remember when I couldn't find this guy. But look at this, gang. It's Superman versus Godzilla, and this Godzilla is huge. And I have to tell you, it looks good. It looks good. I mean, I'm old school Godzilla. I like when Godzilla fought Mechagodzilla, the original, 1974. But I have to admit, it is a dopeness. Damn, look at that Motu 11. Yo, they had Mosquitor. And don't you hate, because I bought Mosquitor and Mantana from Walmart, regular price. And look at this. I missed out. Damn it. Damn. And I was saying, a certain YouTuber showed me that. I was like, man, I wanted to take it back. But see, this is what I'm talking about. I hate that shit. I already got this already. This is a waste of shit. That's why it's on sale, because nobody else wants it. Wow, but this Target, I don't know. Target's been failing. Walmart had more shit than this. This is. I apologize for this, gang. Superpowers, Forces of Solitude. We've got Mr. Freeze is on sale. Yep. But nothing else. We've got Transformers with a whole bunch of twin meals. I got this guy at Ross. See? That's what? 34. No, this is 24. This is wrong. Supposed to be over here. I got this for $12 at Ross. All right, let's go to the collector spot where NECA is. Oh my God, I can't stand this Batman. They're supposed to be coming out with a Dr. Midnight. Where's that figure at? God, where's the new Transformers? I need that Age of the Primes Brawl and Blast Off. Damn. More Hot Wheels. Who got this? Leave a comment below. Tell me whoever got this. Tell me how it is. Always see them. Always wonder how it is. Because is it really, Well, look at that. The hot ones. I like these premiums. These premiums are nice. Old school fan. Oh, Superman. Action Comics. Deadpool. Uh-oh. Masters of the Universe. Nice fan. Back to the Future. Oh, I hate manure. Yeah, nice. Hot Wheels. Leading the way. Oh, that's tight right there. All right, let's go to the collector spot. Maybe we can find something. Because this Target has been just null and void for me. I mean, I'm telling you, I've seen Targets have more stuff down south. I've seen it and I can't believe it. I don't know what's wrong with the North. Targets, I mean, Walmart has been good, but I don't know. You tell me. Leave your comment below. Tell me what you think. Let's go to the NECA collector spots. See what else we can find. What the fuck? What? For information about miracles, fuck you. Here we are at the collector spot. And here we have Vacation Bebop and Vacation Roxy. These are corny. Somebody give me a dumpster. All right, what else? We have Dragon Balls. We have Fallout. Gundam, yeah, okay. Steph Harp. We've got these little Godzilla craps. Destroyer. We've got Page Punchers, McFarlane. McFarlane got his hand in every little thing. And of course, the ever-present Monkeyan. I found Snarf, by the way. Oh shit, they have an extent here. I already have it. I wouldn't. Oh, that's a platinum Kite Man. I wouldn't mind finding a platinum Metron with a chair. Hello, I need it. Oh my god. All right. Like I said at the beginning of the show, NECA has been just falling off. I'm still looking for that Predator with the samurai. We have a whole lot of Gundam, the new Gundam. Epion, been had that. Come on, time for some new stuff. Come on now. We got Pops, corny. For Fallout, oh, we got Cooper Howard. Oh, we got The Office. Come on. Oh my God. All right, gang. Minecraft the movie. Not much. Another Monkeyan? God. What's up with these Targets, man? We got Justice League cowl. Targets in the North suck. There's nothing in here. Nothing in the aisles. Oh my God. Let's go over here again. We got Gundam Wing Zero. What's that? Looking for that Predator with the samurai. Dope figure. Oh, we got Glute. We got some Last Ronin stuff back there. Oh God. All right, gang. Alf. Yeah. See you in the car. Damn. Clearance. What they have on clearance? Andor 12. Okay. Nothing what we looking for. Never. We can never get a break unless we order it online. This is bullshit. All right, gang. I'm trying here, but I hope you enjoy it though. All right, gang. Let's see what we got in the trunk. Bam. And we are pretty much done for the day. Thank you. But before we shut this off, we have a little surprise. I had picked this up at a Walmart. Not this Walmart, but I went to a Walmart and I didn't record, but I found him unexpectedly, actually. So, as I promised, I didn't get it here because we're gonna talk about that. Bam! And why would some toy tubers, one in particular, we're not going to say his name, Uncle Tim, what the fuck is up with, what the fuck? Oh, I seen this certain YouTuber, Uncle Tim, do this, and then, yeah, fam, talk about crazy. Anyway, Hordak, let me tell you something. Target, if you're going to put Masterverse on sale, make sure you have enough stock to warrant the fucking clearance. I can see if you have a lot of stuff and you want to clear it out. Wham. because I had already bought Mosquito and Montana from not this particular wave because it has Copacan and Tila on it. And you see that, and you see what was left. I already got Fisto. I mean, come on. Not even a anti-Eternia He-Man? I would have loved to get that for 1146. Loved. Can you do that? One Fisto. I got been Fisto for fucking 5-6 months now. Like, come on, Target. You're putting shit on clearance too fucking late, and you're clearing shit out, and only has 2 and 3 figures. Come on, it doesn't warrant. That's one of my toy pet peeves with Target. Come on, man. And I don't know what's up. Target and Walmart in the fucking North fucking blows, man. A lot more opportunities in the South. But I digress. I hope you like this hunt. You know, Happy New Year. And I just want to say, it ain't over. We still got to look for certain things. We still looking for Transformers, Agents of Prime, Brawl, and Blast Off. We still looking for Owl, Spider-Man, Retro Card, and Cardiac, and many, many more. So, with that being said, I hope you like this hunt. There'll be many more. I love y'all. Happy New Year. And remember, you keep toy hunting and I'll keep ranting. And remember, stop singing in your toy videos. You can't sing. Fuck off. Ah!